Hello class, my name is JeremiahCletusEdem. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. We are going to solve a question in separation of variables. So the question is disabled to what? Separation of variables. So before we solve it, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed and share my videos to your friends. Do well also to like my videos and make sure you send your comment in the comment box so that I will see in case we have challenges. And the reason why you of course, comment on my videos, it will help YouTube, of course, to share the thing vital. So please do well subscribe to my videos and share my videos to your friends in the internet. So let's go right ahead to solve the question. It says, reduce the equation below and separate the variables. So now let's do this. Let v equals to x plus y plus z. I get it now. Since v equals to this, let's find the derivation, the first derivation of v with respect to x. We have what now? We have the first derivation of v, that is v prime, equals to, make sure you understand that v, now v is the same thing as what? X raised power 1 plus y plus z. I get it now. So now let's find the derivation of v now with respect to x. We have what? 1 multiplied by x. I get it. This one will multiply what? X. And we're going to subtract 1 from the power. Raised power 1 minus 1. We have what? Plus. Now since we are not differentiating v with respect to y, so we are going to have what? The first derivation of y plus what? 0. We are not differentiating with respect to z, so this one is what? 0 automatically. But this one is what? We are going to have what? The first derivation of y. So we have what? V, the first derivation of v, equals to 1 times x is what? X. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Plus the first derivation of y. I get it now. So 0 has 1. We have what now? We have the first derivation of v equals to what? Anything raised power 0 is what? 1 plus y raised power 1, or y times the first derivation of 1. The first derivation of y. So, having done that, remember we said let what? We said let v equals to what? This. So since, okay, from what? From this equation, we said what? The first derivation of y equals to what? X plus y plus z all squared. Now, since this equals this, remember we said v as what? As this. So now, since we said v as this, that means the first derivation of y equals what? V squared. Since v equals what? X plus y plus what? Plus z. Are you getting me now? So you're going to agree with me that now we can replace this in this because this. We can replace the first derivation of y with what? V squared. That means the first derivation of what? V equals to what? 1 plus, instead of what? The first derivation of y, we are going to replace it with what? With v squared. Are you getting me now? So having done that, let's proceed further to solve the given question. Please make sure when solving question in mathematics, please do take it step by step. So we have one now. We have this, right? So now let's integrate both sides, okay? But before that we have what? The first derivation of v equals what? 1 plus v squared, right? This is what we had initially. So that means the first derivation of v now, it means what? The v, the x. Because initially we differentiate v with respect to what? X. We differentiated it with respect to x initially. So instead of what? V prime, we replace it with what? The v, the x. Equals to what now? 1 plus v squared. Of course, you can balance here with what? To make everything balance and what? And cross multiplication. Let's cross what? Let's cross multiplication, right? Then we'll solve the question further. So when we cross multiplication, what do we have? We have the x multiplied by what? 1 plus v squared. We have 1 plus v squared, right, multiplied by what? The x equals to 1 multiplied by the v. Are you getting me now? So it's the same as what? 1 plus v squared dx equals 1 multiplied by the v is what? Is the v. So having done that, okay, this equation is the same as what? The v equals to 1 plus v squared dx. So now let's divide both sides by 1 plus v squared. Are you getting me? Let's divide both sides by 1 plus v squared. Why do we do that? So that we're going to separate the variables. The variables related to v, we are bringing one side, and the variables of x are taken on one side. So we have what now? We have the v all over 1 plus v squared, the x. Okay? We said we are dividing by what? We are dividing it by 1 plus v squared. So it's equals to what? 1 plus v squared, the x divided by 1 plus v squared. So we are dividing by what? 1 plus v squared. So now we're going to take the variables of what? V one side. The variables of x what? One side. This will cancel this. 1 plus v squared will cancel what? 1 plus v squared. So when it cancels, what will remain? Okay, let's see what will remain. We have what? The v all over 1 plus v squared is what? It's still there. Nothing will cancel out. Nothing will cancel out. Equals to, here we are only left with what? The x. I get it now. So, having seen that, let's go right ahead to solve the question. So now we can integrate both sides. Let's integrate both sides. So what it gives us. So we have what? The integration of what? The v over what? 1 plus v squared equals to what? Integration of what? The x. I get it now. So that means this one is saying as what? Integration of what? 1 over 1 plus v squared dv. Because 1 multiplied by dv is what? Dv. And we have what? 1 plus v squared still remaining. Because what? The integration of what? The x. So what do we have next? We have, when you integrate this now, 1 plus v squared. What are you going to have now? When we integrate it with respect to v, we have what? Tan inverse of what? Of v. So that's the answer to this. Integration of 1 divided by what? 1 plus v squared is what? Tan inverse of v equals now. Now, here, this one now, integration of the exact which we have now, this now is the same as what? The integration of what? Of 1. So when you want to integrate 1, you're going to have what? You're going to have x. So this one is the same as this. That means we have integration of 1. So it's what? It's x. So we have what? X here, then plus our what? Constant. Because naturally, when integrating, you must definitely have what? You must definitely have a constant. So this is the solution to this given problem. But mind you, we said what? We said let v equals what? X plus y plus z. So instead of v, you can replace it with what? X plus y plus z. So we have what? Tan inverse of x plus y plus z equals what? X plus our constant. So this is the solution to this given problem. I get me now. So please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am JeremiahCletusEdem. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please make sure you drop your comment in the comment box. Do well also to share my link to your colleagues, to your friends in the internet, so that they will also subscribe to my YouTube channel and they will also benefit from what you are learning. See you in my next video.